आजकल काफ़ी ट्रेंड कर रहा है नहीं हैशटैग गोवा बियॉन्ड बीचेस आई मीन isn't the beach the whole point of going to Goa? Anyway, keeping it aside, guys, we present to you beaches beyond Goa. Hi. So we are going to Mangalore, and we don't have an itinerary as such, but we are going to go to this beautiful resort that we have booked called Camp 21. We are going to go ask the locals there what to explore in the city. So let's see how it goes. Let's go. Guys, welcome to Camp 21. This is a beautiful, beautiful beach resort located on Someshwara Beach. And okay, let me just quickly take you through this beautiful property. Okay, so today we are at Camp 21, the beach resort at Someshwara Beach, and you know what's the best part? This is my bed that I made, and this is my view. So it's my mini nice washroom where it's pretty beautiful and I love. Oh my god. And thanks to these two, we could also see the honeymoon suite. Nice. How does your house look? Give me a snack play. कोई बात नहीं.
Yeah.
Say something.
What do I have to say? I'm bad at saying things.
Yeah, that's true. So during most of our stay, we were just chilling at the property. I mean, this property got the best food, best vibes, decent internet, and the bestest views. But today, we decided to go out and check out the local recommendations and see what Mangalore has to offer as a whole. So the first place that was recommended by the locals is this place called Hotel Ayodhya. This place is known for the authentic Mangalorean food at a very affordable rate. This place also have different types of sweets and savories, including jackfruit chips, which is a must try. For the main course, we tried some types of bhajis, like which you call pakoras in North India, and I also ordered some thuppa dosa and neer dosas, which is highly recommended. Next up, we have the Diesel Cafe, which is a cute little cafe in the city of Bangalore. Little pricey, but they do have good food, good ambience, soft drinks and hard drinks. Last but not the least, guys, pabbas. Whoever comes to Mangalore knows that they have to try the Gerber ice cream of pabbas. I think that I will let you try it and see if the ice creams are worth the hype. You thought that Goa is beautiful? Trust me, come to Mangalore.
Artlist.io Music licensing reimagined.
तुम हो तो गाता है दिल, तुम नहीं तो गीत कहाँ। तुम हो तो है सब हासिल, तुम नहीं तो क्या है यहाँ। तुम हो तो है सपनों के जैसा हंसी एक समा। जो तुम हो तो ये लगता है कि मिल गई हर खुशी, जो तुम ना हो ये लगता है कि हर खुशी में है कमी। तुमको है मांगती ये जिंदगी।